In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Super Bear Adventure with controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which controller you have, in general, you will be able to play Super Bear Adventure. So for this video, I'm using an Xbox controller as an example, but you can use a PlayStation controller or even a Nintendo Switch one. If you are playing the game on a console, then obviously you will use the controller by default. So this tutorial is mostly aimed at people who are playing on PC or through mobile devices. If you are playing on PC, first connect your controller either using a cable, so you plug one end of the cable into the controller and the other one goes into any of the USB ports available on your PC, or look for any Bluetooth or wireless options. For example, the Xbox is going to have the sync or connect button. Meanwhile, the PlayStation controller can be connected over Bluetooth by pressing and holding the PlayStation and share button. Now, on a PC, you will most likely be emulating the game. So go over to the settings of your emulator, for example BlueStacks, and under the gamepad category, you can enable the option from here. Allow BlueStacks to connect with your gamepad. With this done, all of the other settings here can be set to automatic, so change them according to your preferences, and as long as the controller was properly connected to your PC and you are playing on an emulator, it is going to be used. If you are using a mobile device, then you don't need an emulator, of course, because you are running it directly on your smartphone or even a tablet. In that case, simply connect your controller to that smartphone or tablet, and it should be picked up and usable right away. Besides this, you can use a controller on the Nintendo Switch version of the game, but like I said, that is going to be the default way to play. So I hope I was able to help you when using a controller. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.